Hello, grapeseed friends. I'm Lisa. This is Marvin. Marvin and I decided to make some paw print cookies today because one of his very best friends is our dog, Oakley. Oakley and Marvin do a lot of fun things together. I'm going to move Marvin over here on the side so he doesn't get all dirty. What you will need for paw print cookies is you will need a bowl to put all of your ingredients in, the cookie sheet. Now you can place some parchment paper on there like I have, or you can just grease it if you'd like. You will need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg, 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of white sugar, chocolate chips, and then you will need some Hershey Kisses. We'll also need a spatula and some tablespoons. I'm going to dump in our 1 cup of sugar, and I'm going to put in our peanut butter, and this is where our spatula comes in. I can dump in my vanilla and my egg. I'm just going to mix my peanut butter, my sugar, my vanilla extract, and my egg all up. All I need to do is take my tablespoons and I'm just going to scoop it up and plop it on my cookie sheet. Hey friends, I have some cookie dough on my cookie sheet. I am going to place it in an oven that is already preheated at 350 degrees. These cookies need to bake for 10 minutes. So I'm gonna put these in the oven and I'll see you in 10 minutes. Alrighty friends, it's been 10 minutes. I just took the cookies out of the oven. Make sure you have an adult take the cookies out of the oven for you because it is very, very hot. You'll also want to have an adult help you with the next part. What you get to do now is this is the time where we get to make the paw print part of our cookies. So we are going to take 1 Hershey's Kiss and stick it in the middle of each cookie. We want to do this while the cookies are still hot. You might want to have an adult help you with this. Then you take the chocolate chips and you make the rest of the paw. You can stick them right side up or upside down. It is totally up to you. Alrighty friends, I placed our Hershey Kisses in there and our chocolate chips. So now you can see, oh my goodness, aren't they cute? They look like paw prints. And I want to let you know that these cookies are not safe for your dog to eat. Marvin and I hope you have fun making some paw print cookies with your family. Have an adult help you with the hot oven and the hot cookie sheet. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn for more grapeseed fun. Bye!